Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Tommy or Tom Wiki, whatever you want to call me. I'm about to show y'all how I'm working. Since I don't really got a place to live, this is how I'm working. Oh yeah, let me show you. Come on, follow me, follow me, follow me. Look at that. 3 screens, dog. Now that's 3 times the viewing for me. Look at that, look. 1 screen, 2 screens, 3 screens. Oh yeah, I'm doing it. I'm nasty. I gotta show y'all a couple more things. Hold on. Look at that. A phone, dog. Making calls all day, nigga. The wireless set. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all how I do. I'm about to show y'all how I do. Hold on. I put this on. I be like, yeah, no. I'm too cool to hold the set. I'm too cool to hold the set. Wireless, dog. Wireless. Okay. So yeah, I'm not done. Hold on. Paperwork, dog. Paperwork. You gotta have some paperwork if you got a job. A real job. You know? A stapler. Look. A stapler. With tape on it. That means I've been doing it. You know? And tape. Tape, dog. You know what I'm saying? 2 keyboards. You know what I'm saying? Because I work with computers. 1 keyboard, you know what I'm saying, would be ridiculous for me. So I gotta have 2. Doing it. I'm doing it. At my job, dog. Okay, so I got the screens, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That tracks, you know, our big computers, you know what I'm saying? You know, big computers. You know what I'm saying? And I forgot what that's for, but you know, you already know what it is, you know? And look. 4183. That's how I do. 41. I can't do 8 right now because I don't have all my fingers with me. 3. You know what I'm saying? That's how I do. YouTube. Alright, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Hold on. One more thing. In case the nigga get hot. I'm fan. Be like, woo. I'm fan, dog. Got my own little shelf. You know what I'm saying? I'll keep some secret stuff in it. Got the lock. The lock right here. You know what I'm saying? I do's me. I do me. Shoot. Alright, so I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Deuces.